In this video, we are going to go over how to add an outreach event. When you log into Illinois workNet and click on the Customer Support Center, it's going to take you here to the Groups page. Any group that you have access to will be listed here. Click Apprenticeship Illinois. On the Navigator tools, it opens up to the outreach events. First, you're going to want to filter to your program year and your navigator. And then you can click Add Outreach Event. At the top, there are outreach event definitions. So you can create the name of your event. The audience type, the outreach type, the event date. You can use the calendar picker to go to the previous month or to the next month. And then you'll want to put in the number of attendees. Next, you can click the Upload button if you have documentation regarding this event, and you can upload it there. Or you can click the Add Follow-up Note. And here you can put any notes regarding the outreach event. So I'm going to put two-way communication in person. Again, you're going to pick the calendar picker for the date the note is added or the date that they were contacted. Subject. And the comment. You'll want to leave as much detail here as possible. And then you can save as a case note without sending an email message, or you could click the Illinois workNet message and email, and you could send it to anyone that works in your office. For today, I'm going to click Save as Case Note without sending as a message or email. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click Save. And there is my follow-up note that I left. And I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And then you can come down here to the Outreach Event table, and you can filter using the up and down arrows. So you have outreach name, outreach audience, outreach type, number of attendees, event date, and results. I'm going to type in Hardee's, and it shows up the breakfast recruiting at Hardee's in my outreach event list.